The viewers, welcome to another biology presentation. So in this presentation we are going to answer question 4. So this is a question that is coming from biology paper 2 for 2024 internal candidates. So the question reads, figure 4 shows a vertebra of a mammal. So this is figure 4 right here, showing the vertebra of a mammal. So this figure is labeled T, R, and U. So I'm going to start with our question A1 right here. Identify the parts labeled R, T, and U in figure 4. So what is the name of the part labeled R? Right here. So the name of this part labeled R, this is called the centrum. Okay. So part R is called the centrum. And what is the name of the part labeled T? Right here. So the name of this part labeled T, this is called the neurospine. So part T is called the neurospine. Okay, then we come to the part labeled U. What is the name of this part? So the name of the part that is labeled U, this is called the transverse process. So this is called the transverse process. Okay, so when you look at the centrum is just it's just a solid central part. You can look where it's lying. It's a solid central part of the vertebra, which is its main function is just to bind to the invertebrate disc, and it forms a cartilage joint with the next vertebrae. This centrum right here. Then here we have said this is a transverse process. So the transverse process, these are just projections, okay, that are on the side of this centrum. So what it does that this transverse process, it just provides surface for attachment of muscles and ligaments. So the function of this and the neurospine, they are the same, but the neurospine just shows the projection of what? Of the neural arc. Okay, because there is a neural arc here, so it just shows the projection of the neural arc. And this main function also is just to provide a surface for the attachment of muscles and what? And ligaments. So let us now look at our question 2. State the function of the part labeled U. So remember this part which is labeled U, what have we said this function is? This is the transverse process. So I've said the transverse process just provides attachment for muscles and what? Ligaments. Okay, so we can say it provides surface for attachment of muscles, okay, and the ligaments. If you want, you can put that, it's fine, they will mark you. Then we come to our question A3 right here. So the question reads, in which region of the vertebral column is this vertebra found? So in which region? So this one, it is found in the cervical region, specifically in the neck region. So here we can write cervical region, specifically in the neck region. So it's very important that you know where it is found. Apart from that, sometimes they can even ask you to state the number of vertebrae or the number of bones that are found in this region. So in the neck region or the cervical region or cervical vertebrae, we have 7 bones. Then you also have other regions or other vertebrae such as the thoracic, the lumbar, the sacra, and the caudal. And I've indicated the regions where each of these are found. So for more information of this, you can look out for a video that I've covered on this one. I've answered a lot of videos on this question. So give a reason for your answer. We need to give a reason why I've said that this is found in the cervical region. Okay, so one of the reasons that we can give is that there is the presence of the canals. Okay, there is presence of the canals through the transverse process. That's one of the reasons that we can give. So we can just say presence of canals through the transverse process, and you get your 1 mark there. So we have answered this question. Okay, So let us now just answer our last question here. So this is our last question, which is question B. State the 3 types of skeletons. So we have 3 main types of skeletons. We have endoskeleton. Okay, this one normally found in human beings. Okay, we have endoskeleton. Apart from that, you also have exoskeleton. Okay, normally found in insects. Okay, exoskeleton. Apart from endoskeleton and the exoskeleton, we also have hydrostatic skeleton, which is found in bodily fluid animals. Hydrostatic skeleton, like snails. Hydrostatic skeleton. So these are the 3 many types of skeletons that we have. So thank you so much, everybody. We have come to the end of our short presentation. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, bye bye.